This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Watchlist and Market Report for the week ending November 12th, 2022. Our question this week is: what are crypto exchanges? The answer will be provided later in the video. This week, the market ended higher. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.1% on Friday and was up 4.15% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 0.92% on Friday and was up 5.9% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 1.88% on Friday and was up 8.1% for the week. Looking at the week, we can see that there were 12 up finishes versus 3 down finishes for the major indexes. On Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, all the major indexes finished up. On Wednesday, they all finished down. The new unemployment claims were 225,000. The Consumer Price Index, or CPI, rose 0.4% in October, which was less than expected. Mortgage rates fell sharply to under 7%. Consumer confidence in the housing market hit a new low. Binance, a crypto exchange, backed out of rescuing FTX, leaving the crypto exchange on the brink of collapse. And U.S. Treasury yields tumbled after the weaker than expected CPI was reported. New unemployment claims, consumer price index rising less than expected, mortgage rates falling sharply, consumer confidence in the housing market hitting a new low, one crypto exchange backing out of rescuing another crypto exchange, and the U.S. Treasury yields tumbling after the weaker than expected CPI are all news. And news drives the market, good and bad. Day-to-day predictions on whether the market is going to go up or down are virtually impossible because predicting the news is impossible. However, the market is rigged to go up. It does not go up every day or even every week, but the market will generally go up over time. Stock prices move in a random fashion. They go up and down with an upward drift. The market will go up for as long as the powers that be want the market to go up. While there are many powers out there, the top 5 powers that be are the Federal Reserve, big financial institutions, big corporations, the President, and Congress. These 5 entities will do what they must to drive the market higher. Now we are at our question of the week. What are crypto exchanges? A crypto exchange is a company that provides an online marketplace where customers trade cryptocurrencies or digital currencies for other assets like conventional fiat money or other digital currencies. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies. Among the largest are Bitcoin, Ether, and Tether. There are dozens of crypto exchanges. The top crypto exchanges are Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Some crypto exchanges like FTX and Binance create and issue their own cryptocurrencies. They then create businesses, make loans, borrow, and trade around their own tokens. Bitcoin purists frown on exchange-created cryptocurrencies because these cryptocurrencies are not really a currency at all. They have been determined by the SEC to be a security, like a stock share. The value attributed to FTX and its cryptocurrency FTT was suspect. The exchange got into financial trouble and is on the brink of bankruptcy. FTX's woes brought down some stocks and the entire crypto market, including the only true decentralized and scarce cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Were your stocks affected by the downfall of the crypto exchange FTX? Or do you own any stocks at all? If not, why not? Is it because you do not understand anything about the stock market? Well, it was not taught to you in school. If you ever want to learn how to get rich and income through the stock market, You are going to have to teach yourself. You must RSI, that is, read, save, and invest. Formal school taught you how to read, but society and the powers that be discourages you from reading, especially books. School taught you to be a worker. They did not teach you how to be an investor. And they taught you absolutely nothing about the U.S. financial system. You can learn how to be an investor if you simply start reading books about investing. Books that you can borrow from the library for free or buy cheaply online. It is not difficult to learn how to be a passive investor, which is what most people should do. Check out this list of recommended books on the books page of the Southside website. These books and others like them will not tell you which direction the market is going to go, but you can learn how to make money in the market no matter what the market does. I don't know which way the market is going to go on a daily basis, and I don't care. I trade the market as it is, not as it should be. I take what the market gives me, whether it's going up, down, or sideways. How do I do that? I apply the Southside strategy. You can learn more about the Southside trading strategy at southsideschooloffinancialfreedom.com. Here is the Southside trading watch list from the week ending November 12, 2022. The strongest performer on the list this week was Teladoc Health Incorporated, ticker symbol TDOC, in the first column. It was up 7.52% on Friday and up 22.1% for the week. Teladoc Health Incorporated provides a portfolio of healthcare services and solutions through virtual access. The services include various medical subscriptions from non-urgent episodic needs such as flu and upper respiratory infections to chronic, complicated medical conditions such as hypertension, cancer, and congestive heart failure. Looking at a summary of results, you can see that Teladoc has decreased almost 64% year to date. I did not trade Teladoc this week, but I may trade it in the future. Whether a stock goes up or down, you can generate cash flow from it. Whether you own a stock or not, you can still generate cash flow from it using the Southside strategy. The Southside trading strategy involves trading for weekly cash flow, that is, trading for income. SPY is shown at the bottom of the third column. SPY is the S&P 500 ETF. This is the benchmark I compare my trading performance to. My objective is to beat the S&P 500 index while at the same time generating cash flow. Most professional money managers do not consistently outperform the S&P 500 index. They usually lose and lose badly to the index. Thus, most investors and traders should just invest in or trade a market index fund or ETF like SPY. What do you do? Do you beat the S&P 500 index? Do you have a watch list? What is your investing and or trading strategy? How well do you do against the S&P 500 index ETF SPY? Let me know in the comments section. Are you willing to share your strategy? The Southside portfolio cash flow system is outperforming the S&P 500 ETF SPY in 2022. The Southside portfolio is up 4.03% versus minus 16.1% down for SPY, a difference of 20.13%. The Southside is beating SPY by just over 20%. The cash flow generated by the Southside cash flow system for this week was 5.41% of the portfolio account value. The account value changed by 8.89%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 ETF SPY changed by 5.89%. Bitcoin watch. Bitcoin lost 22.31% this past week and continues to be in a bear market. It is down almost 76% from its all-time high, which was achieved in November 2021. I sold option contracts on two positions this week, one call and one put. that range from $19.35 to $100.69. You can get more details, including the total dollar amount of cash flow for the week, on the website Southside School of Financial Freedom.com. To increase your financial IQ and understanding of the stock market, please check out past videos for other questions of the week. The videos are organized in playlists, levels 1, 2, and 3. Level 1 being for beginners, level 2 for intermediate, and level 3 for more advanced traders and investors. The videos are also arranged in playlists by subject matter. In the meanwhile, please like, share, and subscribe.